To begin with, make sure the Betamax is set up for demonstration. Just follow your demonstration checklist.
Hey, now that's just, that is, wow, what is that?
This is the Sony Betamax.
Console TV, right?
No, not quite. Betamax is a totally new concept in television entertainment.
To gain your customer's attention and establish a need, demonstrate how to load a Betamax cassette. Emphasize how easy the system is to operate.
In fact, why don't you load this cassette yourself and see how easy it really is?
Hey, now, what is that?
Oh, this is a Betamax cassette.
Hey, what's inside the little box?
Betamax cassette. Same videotape.
Well, I don't want to take a chance. Hey, now.
You don't have anything to worry about.
Well, what is that?
Oh, this is a Betamax cassette. Videotape.
Well, I don't want to take a chance.
Now, Mr. Davis, the Betamax is virtually indestructible with normal use. You don't have anything to worry about.
Now demonstrate the Trinitron TV for your customer.
Hey, that's just like my set, UHF and VHF.
Exactly. You just select the channel you want. And with Trinitron, you get the best picture possible.
Explain the features and advantages of the Trinitron. Now, demonstrate TV recording. Again, emphasize how easy it is to record with the Betamax.
Well, that's all there is to it. And once you've selected the channel that you want to record, you just drop in the Betamax cassette, and then you push these two buttons right here, and you're recording the picture and sound for whatever program you want.
Then, play back the program segment which you've just recorded. Emphasize the professional quality of recording with the Betamax system. The next phase of your demonstration is one of the most important. Recording one program while watching another.
You see, the Betamax has two tuners. Now, there's a main tuner and an auxiliary tuner.
You mean to tell me the Betamax was recording all that while we were watching the other channel?
That's right. See, with Betamax, there's no such thing as television entertainment.
Now, explain timer recording for your customer. Remember, it's just like setting an alarm clock, as simple as that.
So, let's say that the program you want to record comes on at 10 at night, and you're going to be out. You just set the auto timer for 10 o'clock. So I've got a short program here that'll show you exactly what the Betamax concept is all about.
Now, basically, whenever a fluorescent score motion is required, it may also be employed in conjunction with a drawn reciprocation ding alarm to reduce sinusoidal repleneration. Now, basically, the only new principle involved is that instead of power being generated by the relative motion of conductors and fluxes, it is produced by the modial interaction of magnetoreluctance and capacitive directance. The original machine had a base plate of prefamulated amulite surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in a direct line with a panometric fan. The latter consisted simply of 6 hydrocoptic Marsal vanes so fitted to the ambifacient lunar wane shaft that side fumbling was effectively prevented. The main winding was of the normal Lotus O delta type placed in panendermic semi-boloid slots of the stator, every 7th conductor being connected by a non-reversible tremie pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the Grammy. That would not only supply inverse reactive current for use in unilateral phase detractors, but would also be capable of automatically synchronizing cardinal grammeters.
Hey, now.
The system will automatically activate itself without your even being there.
Well, I'll tell you, there's one thing that worries me.
Oh, what's that?
Will I really be able to work this thing?
Let me ask you, have you ever operated a color TV or an audio cassette recorder?
Well, sure.
Then you're not going to have any problem with the Betamax.
Now that the time is right, go for a trial close.
Do you have an account with us?
You mean I can put this on my card?
Of course. Well, what do you think? How am I doing?
Wilson, you're doing fine, just fine.
Yeah, I suppose you could probably demonstrate the unit without even using a checklist.
Listen, I'll have this down in no time.
Well, I'll give you a little time to get ready, but since you won't need this...
Listen, there's no harm in making sure.